Fucking carpe diem. I'm so indecisive, you can't cuff me, but I'm wifey. I just want a nigga who gon' slurp me like a icy. Bitches bite me so hard, had to put them on a diet. Bitch, this ain't no tryouts, hold a hoe, you better not try me. I got a man, I got a bitch, I'm a banana, they got a split. One on your top, one on your tip.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be working with the company Yolissa hair. My braid pattern, it looks weird because I had my hair braided for a sew-in, and then it was like, oh, boom, shit, let's put this wig on. But it's definitely, like, braided for, like, a side part, so I'm not really tripping. I use that Oars Fix spray. I'm not gonna lie, I like that spray. Like, it's not too harsh. It's not, like, it's not too much. Got to be would have, like, your shit rock fucking hard. That it really don't, and it didn't take long to dry. To me, after like 20 to 30 seconds, you'll be all right if you sit under a dryer. But I'm definitely gonna be using Ghost Bond as always. But I'm cutting the cap right now, and you know, I feel like my cap methods, I still, you know, do the same. I just don't use gel. I did use gel to brush back my edges, but I use the Oars olive oil, you know, the edge gel, the one that they use. I'm gonna show it later on in the clip. Alright, this is what all came in my bag. Of course, the wig, a care instruction package. There was a box, but the mail people really didn't give a damn, and my box was beat the hell up. They gave me an edge wrap. The edge wrap is bomb. I like it, and I love pink. And the wideness of it is very convenient as hell, but I'll be showing that later. The wig is 24 inches and 180 density. I got the size of my wig is a large. If you got forehead or your head big, get a large wig cap. People don't think that you're supposed to get the sizing of the cap. If you know you're a medium, get a medium. Small is for, like, you know, your puny petite heads, but I got a fat ass head, so I used 2 layers of glue. I don't think I mentioned that, but yes, I use 2 layers. I either do 2 or 3, sometimes 3 or 4, but I'm not hard on hair, so I just do 2 and I'll be fine. But with the razor, I will be cutting, like, just shaking it to where it kind of, I guess you could say, like, fray the ends, make them, you know, if you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. It's hard to explain, but as you can see, I'm cutting the lace, and I know I still have to glue some parts down, but which is fine, but it gives me an idea of that I matched it up the way I wanted to match it up.
30 hertz straight up. 30 hertz straight up, straight up, straight up.
AB on the track, yeah.
It kind of it low key. I wouldn't even say gel. It reminds me of a cream, but it's like real smooth. It gives you like a. It's real smooth and soft. If you like that, go for it. But if you want something to stick straight down right away, you don't have to keep going back over it. Then keep doing the mixture of got to be glue. And Gorilla Slide. But I honestly I would use both. It's not bad, and then the combination of the cream and the fix-it spray is like a flawless finish. So I definitely recommend you guys to check that out. But as far as doing my edges on camera, y'all, I'm still trying to get the hang of it. I need to look up like a mirror to put on my ring light so I don't have to like edit it and get up and fix it, because y'all, I can't see. and I don't have contacts, I just have to order them. And y'all know I wear glasses, but yeah, the struggle be real doing the edges on camera, because I'm really picky and I'm low-key a perfectionist. But this wig is good, y'all. I think y'all should definitely check it out.
AB on the track, yeah.
Alrighty guys, like, comment, and subscribe. This next clip, I'm just showing you the back of the wig. My boyfriend went back over it and flat ironed it for me, and he wanted to show y'all the quality.
Do your little thing now.